Tawani Jolifanto Blamba Okali Hamla. Grossiga Papla Habla Hormigada Gorman. Hyplo Ikora Sula Huju. Holaka Holala. And Logobang, Blagobang, Bato Putaka. Shamba Uwanawasa. Echtada Gorame said Zumbada. Ulu Susuba de Uluwasa Suba de Tamba. Bau. Kasagama. Bau.
Green, yellow, orange,
greys and greens,
red,
black, green, black and blue and green. Sometimes it is blue and sometimes it is green.
It's just vivid green.
It's red, kind of a terracotta red. Red.
Black.
Black.
Black and white.
White.
Silver. Glittering silver.
Orange. Yellow. Bluey colours. Bluey greeny colours. White. Grey. Blue. Black. Red and blue and green and yellow and orange. Not distinct colour, but merging together to give a blurred, vivid pattern. There's a very large stained glass window through which the sun shines.
Coloured.
And the sun shining through. And it was all colours like the rainbow, as if there was a light shining behind it. The sun shines through and provides the only light, as if there was a light shining behind it. All of a sudden I saw a cloud of spray. The water was coloured with blue and yellow and green, but the colours all merged together like a sheet, a whole sheet, a glowing sheet of colour. The colours not distinct, but merging all into one, giving an effect of... It's red. It's a very funny red. Red. The heart was red. A very funny red. And white.
Silver. The glasses are silver, glittering silver. There seems to be no colour at all. There is no colour at all. There seems to be no colour at all, as far as I can remember.
Uia ila ila uia sisialu. En studio 3 en studio misnumi. Ialons tuat. Brarsi jätte o jäsut su vigulu. Sesa masu otiliu. Sesa masu totoro. Oi sengo gaza andula. Oi angu sengo andula. Oi sengo gaza ina liula. Pau sagor kado. Kado mai diusi su io angula. Tu mai si taca liu sengo. Ia pendo siolo. Toro, menga, se ule laiti, io tu lo ziolo, nia mio. Sa lo snegan lili, toccardo, toto, la strasizzo, quanto balan, posso nero, mito, sa tre, sa mishu. Uia go. Ia non sa zuma tu, ia non la sholi, lite moi, sa go. Lite moi, ya hi. Niola zakanara. Io toro, io ta, mola, usilo, io ti supiu, emba, utemiolo. Ua te tipo, ua, laina, ua. Toria torta, gumia, carta, toria, la strasizzo, quando balan, posso nero, miria, sa tre. Uia sa go, taila, io blaimono. Momono, we, angolaina, bobando, yo, angolaina, yo, angolaina, just, yo, taila. Sia enia, lulia, luleia, leia, liuleio, angolaina, clamio, angolaina, dio me, angolaina, edoe, angolaina, angola, laina, now, alios, Dio seguro, Dio trema, Dio me, alios, luia, bobando, yo, alios, luia, yo, alios, luia, just, yo, taila. Sia enia. Tualo mio, tualo sendo, tualo puyo, tualo suga haira tia isa muo, tuman staka liu sengo o wasen. Tocarte to, ahuia Laurie, to la sasisa pa, ahuia Laurie, to balan posso nero mi, ahuia Laurie, to tresa misnumi, la sia totoro ahuia moi, angolaina kibamio, cholo so de bau, angolaina der bau, lulia, le. Natalo, mio mamma, digim se secum sora caura tota dei ma prosto tu stai aiulo. Araru, wow. Kahia lio, hia lua, icollia se sam, uiara sio. Io la zaganara tu, balloni, io la zaganara tu, cross, io la zagan, aliaso, hiolo, io lo to ciao. Ciao, aliaso sisio seguro, we abba tengo, abba nume. Aliaso lui lui io parlo fuala, studio toliato, io lo toliato, ciao, aliaso hielo. Moja me so yagu oya esa me amini. Wow. Ya sisiala reishilero. Lielo leiula leia. Siete Roma, siete neo, siete lo, Moliano o, siadano, siapu. John, here.
But in my case, I started out engineering, mixing, editing first, and about the time I learned that, the first electronic music that I heard, well, in fact, the first electronic music I heard was the old music concrete, and because of the engineering knowledge I had some idea how they'd done it. In other words, I could listen to it and tell some of the things they'd done and how they'd done it, and I thought, well, it's the old thing, I can do that. And I began working on the thing, and I got caught up in it, and I found that I could do it, or at least I thought I could do it, and I just started going into it that way. And of course, by now it's gotten much more complicated than that.
Do you call it electronic music, or do you call them electronic pieces?
No, I don't call it electronic music. To me, electronic music is it's very hard. Everyone refers to it as electronic music. I mean, that's the whole title. But what I call it is organized sound. Organized sound is really what it is, especially in my case, because I don't use just oscillators. I use many, many sounds, and so it really is organization of sound.
But there must be elements which control the structure of the organized sound which you're composing. Now, it could be done by combining sounds in such a way to get harmony and melody and rhythm in a very traditional way, and some of the Dutch composers of electronic music have done just that. But you're not doing that. But what are the elements structurally that go into music? And I'm talking about the kinds of sounds, because we'll get to that in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm saying, how do you organize a piece of music in terms of its form, in terms of it having a cohesiveness?
Well, I suppose that because I've had no schooling in traditional music, I, in a way, start back where I suppose hundreds and hundreds of years, thousands, where the first guy who picked up a rock or something started. To me, music is just very simply a matter of tension and release. It's even writing is that the same problem. You have the same problem in the theater. That's what you're doing, really, is you're building a kind of tension, even if it's very, mild, and then you have a kind of release out of that tension. Now, my music, I suppose, has a little more, because I just tend, and the nature of these sounds is usually so energetic that my music possibly, I put more tension into it. I think, in a way, the stuff I do is traditional music in that I'm trying to make it satisfy me in the same way that a piece of orchestral music that someone else had done would satisfy me. And that's very difficult to talk about. What is it that satisfies you? But it's a matter of it's a timing, energy, drive, balance. All these things are not musical terms, I'm afraid, but